everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this Bratz Dolls inspired makeup look. And to start out, we're going to block out the eyebrows and start using the Modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills palette for the color Love Letter, and we're going to be putting this over where the eyebrows are supposed to be. And we're going to create kind of a upper eyelid shape, so we want it to be kind of round. Next, we're going to be using the Bare Minerals Pro Foundation in the color Cashmere 6, and I'm using this to cut the creases. And after using this, we'll be using a translucent powder to set it. Next, I'm using the Wolfe Effects White Face Paints, and I'm going to be using this to create the large eye. These dolls have very big exaggerated eyes, and I'm using a reference photo to try to match my eyes to theirs. Once you get the shape you like, you're going to fill it in with the white face paint. Here I'm using a brown face paint also from Wolfe Effects, and I'm using this to create a round section of my eye. You're going to kind of want to end and begin where your eye actually ends and begins and not go out any further. And you're going to fill this in with whatever color that you're going to be using. If you're using contacts, then match it with that color. I'm going to be using brown. Next, I sketched out some eyebrows with a brown pencil, and now I'm going to be filling in with a black face paint. I sketched it out in order to make sure that they were at least somewhat symmetrical, and now I'm just going to be filling them in. Here I'm going in and sort of smoking out the pink color a little bit more to go up towards the eyebrows. And now with a black eyeliner, I am underlining these creases. And I'm going to be doing an outline around the white of my eye as well. Here I made a mistake, but we go and back and fix that later. And now I'm adding a little bit of black in the middle of the eye to create sort of like a pupil. With the same e.l.f. liquid liner, I'm going to be lining the top of my lashes. And I'm going to be making sort of a wing to connect with the rest of the eye. For the top of the eye, I'm going to be kind of rounding out the eyeliner on top of the eye to make it look like when my eye is closed that actually is my pupil. It's kind of an illusion to make it look like it is your eye. Here I'm adding a few lashes to the bottom, and I will also be adding lashes to the top as well. Next, for the face, I'm going to be cleaning up any mistakes and then adding a little bit of contour. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm kind of trying to go underneath the cheeks to make them stand out more and also be a little bit more rounded. Next, using the Sigma Aura blush, I'm going to be putting a lot of blush on the apples of my cheeks. And using the Naked Illuminated in Luminous, I'm going to be adding a highlight on top of that. Here I am dramatically overlining my lips to make them look more like a Bratz doll. And I'm using sort of a plum red color. Once I have the shape I want, I'm going to be filling in the lips with the liner, and then I will top that with the NARS Scarlet Empress lipstick. And I topped it with this huge wig that I have for cosplaying. This kind of reminds me of the gothic type Bratz that they used to have, and I really think it goes well with this look. And I couldn't decide which wig to use, so I ended up doing 2 looks. This one is with a long blonde wig. I think they both look really good with this makeup. Let me know which one you guys prefer. I always loved Bratz dolls growing up, so it's really cool now to turn myself into one. Let me know what you guys think of this look down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time.